Alright guys, I just want to make a quick troubleshooting video. Mr. Ramos mentioned to me that unfortunately you guys weren't able to program your Noggin using your computer. So sorry about that, but I guess it's a good opportunity for us to troubleshoot this together. So I actually came back to the lab here to try to do some testing because I was wondering what is going on. So this is what I found. On some of the units that I was using for the class demonstrations, I found that I also was not able to upload. And here's one of them that don't quite work. Or doesn't quite work. So if I plug in the USB here, you see that it's just slightly on, the red light, but it's not on as bright as it usually is. So what I realized has happened is because we've been using our board quite a lot to build circuits, I found that one of the electrical components on the Noggin was slightly burned out. So what that means is that when I try to upload, I wasn't able to. Now, it's because I know how this thing is designed, there is a way around that. Okay, so let me just show you what happened if I try to upload. So on my screen here, I try to upload, and I get no devices show up. So that's not good. I don't know if any of you guys had that happen. On some of them, you would get a device to show up, and you can click on it and connect, but then it wouldn't fully upload. You would get some kind of error. And then on some of them, it's like this, where it doesn't even show up. So let me show you how to fix that. So I'm going to click cancel. So what we do is we're going to say, right now your Noggin's using a 5-volt power supply from the USB cable. And there's a component there that is not quite working, so we're going to take that out. Then we have this guy. This is our barrel jack connector. So everyone has inside your kit one of these, and the other side plugs into the wall. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. It's going to look something like this. Okay, so this side goes into the wall. Let me do that on my side. Make sure I got power. Okay, and then this side is then going to go into here. So what's going to happen is that we're going to get a 5-volt from our outlet from the wall at home, from the power source at home. So if we plug this in, there, see now the red light is on and this is not even on. So what's happening now is the Noggin knows to get power from here and not from here. That should help fix it because now it should have enough power for everything. So now if I plug this in, then I can try to upload again and see what happens. So if I upload now, you see it showed up here, so that's good. That's an improvement from before. And then click connect, and it did it, and my light turned on because that's what my code said to do. Alright, so the lesson here, guys, is that because we've built so many circuits, what I found is that on some of my boards I'm not able to program if I only have this one connected. So what we need to do is use the power supply from the barrel jack, and then it should work. So just to recap, if I disconnect this, right, and I just try to program like that, no good. So I disconnect this in order to fix it. I first plug in the power. First make sure your lights here turn on, and then plug this in. And then once you do that, try to program again. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Good luck. If that doesn't work, when we meet on Thursday, we'll try to figure out another way. All right.